In this video, we're going to take a look at using review mode in WAMAP. For assignments that have passed their due dates, your instructor might have it set up so you can open the assignment again and sort of practice the problems and see what your answers were that you submitted even after the due date. This won't allow you to earn any additional credit on the assignment, but you can still use it for practice, again, if your instructor allows it. So for this homework 1, this has passed the due date. And so if I, as a student, want to go in and review this assignment, I can click on it here. If I do want to use a late pass, remember I can't go into review mode. So I wouldn't want to go to review mode if I wanted to use a late pass. I'd instead use a late pass from the calendar, from the assignment, or from the gradebook. But let's say I didn't want to use a late pass or they weren't available to me and I just wanted to go into review mode. All I have to do is open up the homework. I can do that either from clicking on the name of the homework assignment or from where that homework is in the course content. It's past due, but I can see it because it's showing in review. Or I could even do that from the gradebook. So I could come in here and click on the score, and that will take me to the assignment's review mode. It's giving me a warning here. It's being nice. If I wanted to use a late pass, I could. I'll go ahead and click OK. Now I've locked myself out of being able to use a late pass for it, but I can come in and see my answers. If something's in review mode, I can see my kind of most recent answers. I can click on the preview button and have it actually show. It doesn't apparently preview live like when you're doing an assignment, but you can see which answers you got correct or incorrect. And there is a show answer button depending on the layout your instructor is using. There's kind of an old display and a new display in WAMAP. It'll either say show answer or it will look like a little key symbol on a button. That would be the show answer in the new version of the kind of WAMAP display. So you can click on and see what answer it was expecting for any of those questions. There may also be a setting, depending on the way your instructor has set it up, to reload these with different or similar questions. Maybe the 3, 7, and 6 would change and allow you to try the problems using different numbers, similar questions as you're doing some sort of review, if you're using the assignment for a review on a test or something. Again, notice if I went through and typed in my answers, maybe I wanted to type this in here just for practice, it will let me type that answer in, but it won't actually let me submit for more credit. Again, it's in review mode, so you can't increase the score you have, but at least you can go back and see what the questions were, what your answer attempts were, and what WAMAP was expecting to see as the correct answer. So that's how you can get to and use review mode for assignments that have passed their due date in WAMAP.